How to delete pictures on Facebook Messenger. To get started, open up the Facebook application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Facebook homepage where you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the Messenger icon. You will then be taken to the Facebook Messenger app. Here, you can view all your chats with friends. Open any chat from here. Tap and hold any picture shared in the chat. Then, tap on Delete. Tap on Delete again to confirm. Here, you can choose to delete it for everyone or just for yourself. Select the one you want. You have now successfully deleted this picture. You can repeat the same steps to delete other pictures from your chats. Following these steps, you can easily delete pictures on Facebook Messenger. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.